Find features that distinguish it from other brands for OLIXIS Air Purifier with an replacement 3-in-1 HEPA filter. Why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. High filtration rate. Features with 360 degrees air intake and a clean air delivery rate, CADR, of 210 square meter per hour. OLIXIS Air Purifier can effectively circulate and refresh the air per hour in rooms up to 1,200 square feet. It expertly traps 99.97% of airborne particles, thereby ensuring a smoke-free, dust-free, and odorless ambience for the well-being of you and your families. 3 stages advanced filter. Constructed by primary HEPA activated carbon filter which can capture particles as small as 0.3 um and PM2.5 air pollution, removing pet dander, dust, pollen, smoke, odor, and other contaminants. This effectively improves indoor air quality, providing relief from pet allergies, coughing, sneezing, creating a healthier living environment. User-friendly design. OLIXIS Air Purifiers feature a control panel that is immediately intuitive. At a quick glance, you can effortlessly comprehend its functions. 4 adjustable fan speeds including sleep mode, allowing for personalized airflow control to match individual preferences and needs. Additionally, an automatic mode is incorporated, which further simplifies operation by adjusting settings based on real-time air quality. Ultra-quiet air cleaner. The working sounds is 25 decibels in sleep mode which is silent as whisper, whether you are winding down after a long day or need a tranquil environment for a good night's sleep. The OLIXIS Air Purifier delivers effective air purification without compromising on silence, and create an ideal atmosphere for a serene and relaxing indoor space. Real-time air quality monitoring. Built in a PM2.5 sensor and color-changing light, blue for good, green for moderate, red for poor, according to different level of air quality. This air purifier eliminates the guesswork involved in assessing air quality. In auto mode, the air purifier intelligently adjusts its fan speed based on air quality for efficient purification, allowing you to focus on your current activities without manual operation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.